Hi, my name is Andrea. In this video you will find out how to manifest the right way in only 2 days. Things will start to change the way you want it to be. Write down the story that you believe in. Write down the story that you desire. This video is for you. Hello and welcome to my channel in this wonderful day of spring. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way you won't miss any of my next videos. Today I want to talk about 2 of the most common mistakes you should stop doing when you want to manifest something. Now the first one is expectation. Expectation is really important, but you are forgetting the most important aspect. You have to believe that it will happen. You have to believe that you are on the path without self-sabotaging yourself. And the second reason people are not manifesting, they are giving up too fast. They set their desire in motion, they send energy out to the universe, and then suddenly they look at what is, and they stop the manifestation process, and is where everything just falls apart. So just forget about it. In this video you will find out how to do it the right way so that you can manifest what you desire. But let's return to the first mistake people are making, and that is their expectation. What is expectation? Expectation is a belief, it's a thought that you keep thinking. You set forth your desire, you send it to the universe, and then sort of kind of hope that it will happen, but you are not believing it 100%. So this is one thing that you can do to believe that your desire will come true. Okay, so how do you change your expectation? It's a very simple technique, and I will tell you, if you try to write down your expectation about your desire for only 2 days, all you need to do is write it down. What is it that you expect? You will start noticing positive results in less than a week. This is what happens with people. And usually when they want to manifest something, their desire is quite big. They want to manifest something that they believe is big. It's not something it will happen easily. It's something that they believe it will be hard to manifest. And there's always this little voice inside their head telling them that this is not possible. This is not going to happen. This is too big. This is not for you. And sooner or later they are listening to this voice in their head and they give up. This is where expectation comes in, because everything is about your expectation. Your expectation about your own desire should be right there, up there where your desire is. But usually your expectation is where you look at in this moment, right now. You look at what is. You look at what you have right now, here, down here. Now one thing you must understand is that when your expectation is where your belief is where your desire is where your source and your inner being's expectation is. In believing, your desire will manifest. In believing that desire, you have more power of influence. Write down your new story. Write down the story that you believe in. Write down the story that you desire every single day, the way you want it to be. Things will start to change for you. So all you need to do is write it down with as much detail as you can. What is it that you expect? When you start to have the right expectation about your own desire, as well as what's happening around you or even with other people, you can influence with your power if you believe that it will happen. Tell the story again and again until you own it, until it's yours, until you really, really, really feel it inside. Because your expectation is your power of attraction. Listen to your inner being and practice that version of the story until you believe it. Make it real. create it in your own reality. If things aren't working the way you are expecting them at this point in your life, then try to change your expectation. You have to accept that there is a different reality. It's a vibrational reality that you have created by desiring this new thing that you want to manifest. Your inner being is expecting this desire to happen. And if you align your expectation with your inner being's expectation, then things will start manifesting really, really fast. Look at that reality every single day, and your reality will change. Start early in the day. Start by meditating. Start by thinking how good it feels to have that desire manifested in your life. Think about why do you want it. Think about how it feels. When you are off the path, try to distract yourself. Don't give so much importance to those negative thoughts. Do something that you love. Do something that makes you feel good. Distract your mind with everything that you can. When you feel good, you know that you are on your way. And don't question yourself. Don't second guess yourself. Believe that it will happen, because if you feel good, then everything is on its way. The universe is doing everything in its power to give you your desire. But how can you expect something different? But the way you expect something different is by looking at what you want. Don't look at what is. And this is the second reason why people are not making it, is because they are giving up. They are looking at what is, and they are giving up too soon. It's too soon. Think about it. The universe needs time to manifest your desire. You need time to manifest. So you must pay attention to your thoughts, because this is the way you communicate with the universe. When you think a thought, you automatically vibrate it to the universe. You don't have to say it out loud. The universe will prove that you are right. If you doubt your desire, the universe will send to you signs for you to doubt it even more. So why doubt it? Just believe it, and the universe will send you all the circumstances that you need for this to manifest in your life. Look up at where you're going. Don't look at where you are. What you see right now is what you have created in the past. Let it go. It has nothing to do with your desire. What is doesn't have to be your active vibration anymore. Your reality is holding you back. Is holding you back from your desire. Look at what you want. So this is what I want you to do for the next 2 days. Think about your desire and write it down. Think about your story. Write down that story the way you want it to be. Do it every day and feel it. Feel it. Notice how it feels. Notice how good it feels. Don't just write it down and then let's hope for the better. Find a way to feel good about what you are vibrating. By this process of writing it down, you vibrate it more powerfully. You have to mean it. You really have to mean it. You are source energy. There is a lot of power within you, and you have to use it for what is it that you desire. This is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, leave your comments below. Have a nice day. Goodbye.